oftentimes we'll want to have a title block that is uniform throughout. And a lot of times agencies or companies will have their own title blocks. So instead of just using mtext in paperspace to show information, we can use a block to do it the same thing. We can go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and the block panel, and there's an option to insert a block. We can either use the drop down and select the title block from the list, or we can click on more options, and that'll open up a dialog box where we can scroll down and find the block we want to insert. In this case, I'm going to insert just a basic title block that I created. You can either choose to select the insertion point on the screen, or you can have it go to a particular location. In this case, I'm going to go to 0, 0, 0. The scale is going to be 1, and then the rotation is 0. I don't want it to be exploded, so I'm going to uncheck the explode checkbox. And then I can hit OK, and it's going to ask me for some information. And these are going to be block attributes. These are values that can change, but they're a part of the block. So the first one is the date. The next one is the name. And then the agency name. And the block attributes can be customized to whatever you need them to be. So I'll hit OK, and then it's going to insert it into the drawing. If the viewport is overlapping some information, such as here, you can click and move the viewport and move it up or down. You can also clip a viewport as well. You can go to the Layout tab and choose Clip, and that'll allow you to clip a viewport. I can either do it polygonal, or I can select an object. So I'm going to do polygonal, and that'll allow me to pick the points. And I'm going to change my object snaps to not include the nearest. And I can pick points on the screen that'll then clip the viewport and bring it out of the way. And that's how you can insert a title block and then clip a viewport if it gets in the way.